Right, here goes. Let's have a look what we got in here. Hope it ain't empty because all the bikes are in here. I haven't got a clue what's in here. You can see it's been stood for 5 years. I did have a quick look, but I only had a quick look because I didn't want to show too much interest in it because they would want twice as much money for it. Well, let's see what's in it. Right. This here, he's been left in here by the last owner. Brand new spare wheels, which if I chuck them out, brand new, look, 2 of them. Just a shame we're not going to use them. Anybody wants to buy any spares? The split rims. Now this here is left in by the last owner, so we won't be coming back for this. Whatever that is, that's some kind of saw.
Oh yeah, nice bikes at the back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your LAMPBATTONS is in here as well.
Yeah, on the upright.
Yeah.
Right.
Line speakers.
Right, this here, this side is where the front is. He's down, I ain't worried about the wheels. Because I'm having new locks. Crap. I was opening packages here. This is left in by the old owner. And a spare tyre. So I'll have to go through that in case I make a mistake. These could be back tilts, I don't know. Because there is a back tilt. Ah, there it is. There is a tilt to go around the back and that's it there. That's what that is. The gates, the varnish is gone on them. But that's nothing to us. See what? Just over the front. The varnish is staying on it, or the paint.
Well, I take it you didn't want that.
No, no, I don't know what these are for. But anything I put on here is going to be new. They've left that, same as this stuff here. Because it's airlines and that.
Basically, they left you all the crap.
Well, the owner wasn't there when they loaded it. They just shut it, or just hooked it up and bought it. Now that must be, I spoke to Ted Taylor and he had a brand new cloth made to go around the back, and I think that's it. Because it's got see-through plastic on it to let light in.
Oh, like windows.
Yeah. The handrail bars are there. No.
They need a fresh lick of paint and a fresh lick of varnish.
This here, the handrails do, looking at them. I will get one out in a minute.
Hang on, it's sitting up here.
Oh, is it? Is that where it is?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the front boards.
Yeah, like that. It's here, look.
Yeah. This is the front.
Front mounting board.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a square front on it, isn't it?
Yeah. Flat front. Whatever they call it. There's 4 of these, so I can't work out where the little ones are then, because the shape of it, that's the bottom boards, and they look alright. These look amazing. Let's just pull it out.
Yeah, they look alright, don't they?
Yeah. All the wood is good on it. You want to get that side, because that's where you'll be looking. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Oh, that's tidy, isn't it?
Yeah, no bar. I don't need to touch them. Right. It shows that, and another 2 must go on top. And that is in good condition. But I'm worried where the top piece is, because that's easy rider. I wonder if it's free. That's the middle one there. That might have tailors. This is the rounding board. Hang on. Might be getting it wrong. That's the rounding board. That there's the front. That's the front. So it's only got disco rider, so there is 2 with tailor on it. I hope. It's supposed to be in here.
Well, shouldn't be saying Scotty.
No, I'm going to leave it original.
Oh, you're going to leave it all as...
Yeah, all original with tailors on it, because Ted Taylor's helping me out.
Oh, fair one.
And I don't want to spoil nothing. Get one of these out. I'm a bit worried now, because the top off with tailors, all the fancy bit ain't with this. Nope. That's just the rounding board and the bottom boards. And I thought they would have been with that.
Well, not unless they're in the 8-wheeler. 8-wheeler, yeah.
Yeah, because all the bottom's in that. Yeah, good one, good shout that. Right, these here are not in so good a condition. I'm going to pull a bag one out. But that there, when I worked on the fairground doing David Rowland's stuff up, painting, because I learnt to paint on the fairground when I was a young lad, I can rub that down and bring it back to new. Well, this one here is a bit bad, so I might give it to Ask Chris Thomas, a showman's painter, if he can do anything with it to touch it up, because I want to keep it as it is. I don't want to touch, that's the, oh no, the paint's coming off with the varnish, so I shouldn't be touching that. The backs are painted but plain. Every one of these is the same. Get another one out. This one's some are bad. I don't want to touch it too much because the varnish on that last one was bringing the paint off. But I'll get them up the see, that one's brought the paint off. They might, I'll most probably renew these, take it down, paint it pink, take photos and show it to Chrissy Thomas, show me the paint up. Right. This one's even worse, so yeah, complete new paint job. No good messing around with that. Take it back. They're not good. Only the paint. The wood's good. All the wood is good on it. All through the ride, what we've seen has been replaced. I'm just getting there to see the handrails are there. And the bottom of them handrails, what they like to stand on, which they're not allowed to when the ride's going, is, if you look, they're curled on the bottom. And I don't like them. I like them where they used to go through the platform and then have the bolt underneath. But I'll ask Ted if he's ever had problems with them. That's Ted Taylor. Bikes look amazing.
Do, don't they?
But I'm going to have the outside ones tuck to John Hooper Killer Paints, and he will do them like a proper airbrush American chopper. So when you look at it on the outside, it's good. And then see how we get on. See the cost of it to get it open. Right. Right, there's in here, there's some kind of balls, but I ain't worried about them. Some ERF caps, if anybody wants them. Anybody wants a set of ERF caps. The centre ring, there's bolts there for the cheese wheel, which they're all new on that ride. They're not very old.
Oh, yeah.
That I don't know what that's for. Ain't got a clue. There's the original speakers there. They're definitely Semte's job. And there's two new ones, which I was hoping the amplifier was in here. But, oh, very important, a bag of packing. We bought it all in the wheeler, which ain't come yet. And that's if it comes, because the man's such a messer who's got it in his yard.
He's see you next Tuesday.
Yeah, that there, I can use that.
Oh, packing.
Yeah, I'll take that with me. Leave it there. Quick look. Them bars look in very good shape. They're all numbered. But I might take them down to dry powder coating. See if we can get it out. Boxes. And I've got a feeling don't know what they're for. We'll find out when we go to build up. There was nothing down that side, was it? No boards? No.
No. Moving slowly in.
Yeah. That one's stuck. Right.
You ain't getting in there.
Okay.
I ain't getting in there.
No. Down there is, this is the front trellis. Box section in amazing condition. Right, let me get over this. I'm going to keep that speaker and have it new speakers put in it. It's original. You want me to
Yeah,
take that?
I'll put the light on, right?
Yeah. These are the bikes.
Well, they're nice, aren't they?
Yeah. These are the bikes. Get the top so show the handles. We're going to the end of the truck, and there's 110 main. This is the top row for the bikes. Chrome wants doing, but I'll see what that entails, which yes, I've seen now 2 bolts. Take them off, have them re-chromed. See what that costs. Right, coming down to there's a main. These are the uprights, and these are original by the looks of it, but they're in very good condition. Lamp buttons at the back. There is one what don't work because they try to do running lights, which that'll all be replaced. Just come through a bit. All the irons. This ride has been well looked after. There they are, like brand new. Obviously, I might have them caps. This is the rest of the lamp buttons. All old painting, which.
Yeah. You said you got an old speaker there.
Yeah.
There's another one, yeah.
Ah, the matching one.
Yeah.
So they've got 2. They might be bass bins. Not that I'm worried. When we get this over, that's the middle. That is in good condition. I thought it would be wood, but it's steel, which that's.
Oh, that's across the top, isn't it?
Across the front, yeah, from the bottom.
On.
Yeah. I am worried about them rounding boards because if he's ain't got the top bit with tailors on it, then as the ride looks, I'm not going to be happy. But I bought it dirt cheap, so you couldn't buy the generator for what I paid for this. But the man wanted to see it open, and he couldn't wait. He knows I'm going to do rallies. There's no, that's a cover. Some new mains in there. 230. So look at this top row. They look good. But I thought there were bigger bikes for the outside. They're all numbered. Bigger bikes for the outside. Or it might be. I don't think it is though. I think they're all the same size. But I would like, come the end, to sell these, if it's not original, and put the wooden horses on. I don't know what that is up the top. I don't know if that's just been packed up there or whatever that is. Oh no, that's a thing to cut the trucking off. That's nothing to do with the ride. The platforms and all these bikes, uprights, if the uprights don't go on the centre with the lamp battens, because I might lengthen it yet, depends when we get the bogies back, the axles. I might put 4 foot each side, each end rather, and go from there. And all this will be going into an Arctic trailer. I haven't decided if it's a curtain sider or a box, and cut the side out for the platform. This truck is a bit rough underneath, so I'll give this to Shane Rowland because he's helped me out for a store. Right, that's it in here. This is that big speaker. I'll pass that over to you. So we've sussed all this out. Without having the platforms, I can't remember how they go. I think it must be brackets, or there's a bit on the platform. They're not very old then. When they bought, and they got all the irons on, when they bought the amplifier, they bought them speakers to open it. I bet they've been used once, about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, because they just built it up. What am I doing? They just built it up, and that was it. This here is all scrap, because I won't have no rubbish around it, but there's a lot of bolts I've got to go through. see what they are. Right. Looking at some of these, they've got no irons on.
Oh,
So, no irons on the handrail.
no, they got slots here.
Yeah, no, they've got to have irons. They used to go under there, look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they took them all out, didn't they? Look.
Come on, yeah. Yeah, the irons on the bottom are off. So that's not a problem, because I can have the irons made to match whatever's on the upright. Which it's little flat plates, it looks like. Yeah, that's the bottom. Oh yeah, yeah, it goes in the bottom, slots on the gate.
Yeah.
And then further up, there's just little plates. So that'll be a little L bracket.
Yeah.
So that's not a problem. These here be flat plates. They might be one with some stuff on, but it don't look like it. Just to give you, but I can do it. That's no problem. It's no problem at all. They have been docked. These are original handrails. I'm not going to make new. They're all numbered, but they can't go on the ride. And that's a signal. Right. Oh yeah, that's speed. Them cones look alright.
Do, don't they?
Yeah. Actually, they don't look bad at all. I might have them painted, disco bit on them.
Yeah.
Have no fear, Scotty's here.
Yeah.
Right. Let's get this back in. See, they've got these bolts there, but no irons. For some reason, they must have been doing them. I hope in the 8-wheeler there ain't new ones. No. Might have changed them, which they'll be getting chucked in, they'll be getting sold away.
Well, at least the irons is on the rounding boards.
Yeah. Parts of the seats there.
There's another box of packing there.
Yeah, I'm going to get that out.
I got this one out.
Yeah. That brings back memories, I forgot about that. Teaser.
Yeah.
Not many people know what teaser is.
No.
But if your bubble's on the line, that takes it back. So, can I pass that to you? That's all right. That was a little catch that, I think. That's definitely the back cloth, so that saves me money. But I will have, hopefully, shutters made.
Unless they're in the 8-wheeler.
Yeah. No, there's no night shutters. All the pictures have got a cloth.
Ah, right.
But Ted did say it had a cloth, and I think they've got see-through circles in them for the daytime. Because what I've seen, there is no steps on it at the back, only the front, and
Yeah.
they must be in the 8-wheeler.